Atong ang lawyer advised client not to surrender. So, merong news report na nilabas ang ABS-CBN. According to the report, legal counsel for Atong Ang said he has advised his client not to surrender to authorities as they intend to exhaust all available legal remedies. Pero ito ang problema. May warrant na. Under the rules of criminal procedure, kapag may valid warrant of arrest issued by a court, the accused must be arrested or must voluntarily surrender. Kapag hindi ka sumuko, after a warrant is issued, ang status mo ay fugitive from justice. At sa jurisprudence, klaro ang ruling ng Supreme Court. Flight is an indication of guilt. Hindi mo pwedeng i-justify ang hindi pagsuko by saying we are exhausting legal remedies. Ang mas grabe pa dito, yung lawyer daw mismo ang nag-advise na huwag sumuko. That is dangerous and irresponsible. Under the Code of Professional Responsibility and Accountability, lawyers must uphold obedience to the Constitution and to the laws and must not counsel or abet activities aimed at defying the law. Kung in-advise mo ang kliyente na i-ignore ang warrant, technically, you are advising your client to violate a lawful court order. That is a ground for administrative liability and pwede pang umabot sa disbarment. The proper legal advice is simple. Surrender and file the appropriate motions. File a motion to recall warrant, motion for reconsideration, petition for bail, or petition for certiorari. Pero gawin mo yon after you have surrendered. Because once you became a fugitive from justice, the court may even refuse to hear your motions. Hindi ka pwedeng humingi ng pabor sa court kung ikaw mismo ay tumatakbo mula sa court.